One of the more interesting analyses that we can do utilizing iTree Canopy is to look at land use changes over time. In order to do this, what we're going to need is the iTree Canopy tool along with Google Earth. And what it will allow us to do is take a look back in time, look at historical imagery, and compare that with our completed iTree Canopy study that we've recently completed. So in this case here, what we're going to do is we're going to open up our iTree module on the web, and we're going to go down here and we can look at this question mark here. If you have questions or want to understand the step-by-step process that are explained, clearly they're explained in that dialog box. So what we need to do, and I'll go through what's explained there right now, is I've completed an iTree Canopy study for an area. So what I'm going to do is to load the previous iTree Canopy project, and I'm going to select my location and that location of the file on my hard drive, and I'm going to open up that file right now. And so what we can see now is all of that data that I've currently done, and in this case I'll go to the end point here, about 501 points have been data collected. And I've broken out my canopy cover in a series of treed and non-treed areas. My next step here would be to export that information using the KMZ out file. And what that will do is export that file. And in this case here, we're going to export the file name Springfield. And we're going to export that and it'll save it on our hard drive. Once that step is completed, we can then go over to our Google Earth window, and we can go ahead and open up that file in Google Earth. So what I'm doing is just navigating to that point where I've sent my file, and I'm going to open up the file, and we're going to see that all of those points are now taken from my iTree Canopy and placed over in my Google Earth file. And if you're able to look, you'll see those 500 points here are clearly distributed over the entire area. So at this point now, I'm able to begin the process of looking back at my historical data within iTree and looking that back over the Google Earth imagery. In the next video, I'll show you how to pull up the historical imagery in Google Earth, and we're going to be able to actually start to compare and go through the process step by step.